unsalted butter. This is the stevia sugar.
And here's the sugar.
And next, the brown sugar.
I want to do this.
No, not yet. Guys, we're gonna mix it now. Move back, please. Okay, I done a lot of this before, guys. My other video, the chumba cookie video. Okay, guys, subscribe to my channel and leave a like. Oh shoot. Oh gosh, I turned it off by mistake. Move it. Yeah. It's a really nice day today, Mommy.
It's summer.
Yep. Guys, my sister and me, we literally had a water fight, and my sister and me were soaked. Okay.
Okay.
Wait. Got that out. Wait. Got that out. And next is the eggs.
No.
I did it with you. Okay, next.
And then now the vanilla.
The vanilla. And Mommy will do it. Mommy will do it. Okay, we're hoping.
I can't see. Very. Oh.
Pretty
Okay, I
lot.
think that's good.
Okay, now.
And now you're gonna mix them. Mix.
Mix. Oh, mix. Brianna, don't eat a large chocolate spread. Don't eat it or your hand will be covered.
What?
No. Oh, we're doing the cocoa powder now. Brianna,
Tell me something.
Okay, I'm gonna tell you something. You already did the egg. Psych. So chocolate, Mom.
No. The baking soda and the salt.
Brianna, can I tell you something? Psych. Okay, now the chocolate.
Yeah.
You love the cocoa powder.
Chocolate. Oh my God.
Oh, look at all this beauty.
Can be.
Okay, that's good.
And sugar? I did something.
Guys, it's time to put the flour, but we did put baking soda. Okay.
Ballerina.
Okay. I'll help you. Okay.
Yacht. Okay, yacht. You said yacht.
A lot. Everything.
Now what, Mommy?
We're just gonna mix them.
Okay, can I make it?
I mix. Mix. Give it to me.
Okay. Brianna,
What?
what song do you like?
Apples.
Everything you like is Elsa. What's
Is
your
like the
favorite
Let
one?
It Go, or do you like the Dancing Queen too?
Yes, I like both.
Sing Dancing Queen. And you also like Mamma Mia. You sing Mamma Mia.
Mamma Mia. Here go again. Yeah. Something broken.
No. Wait.
How can I resist you?
Guys, we're gonna put this in, and Brianna was eating some more. Okay, that's done.
And
now
then the pecan.
the pecan. Wait. Can I just tell you something?
Jacka.
Okay, Brianna, let's put it in.
Good.
Yummy pecans.
What are pecans again?
Fold.
Mixing. Oh, are you still here? Okay, guys, we have to set it up to 325, but we already did. Okay, and we have to warm it up for 12 minutes.
Bake it for 12 minutes.
Bake it. I want flavor, fish yummy. God like a do, but it slap yummy. Fish doobie, but I don't know ye. Fish yummy. Okay.
Okay, so is it done?
Yep, now we put it on the mat.
Baking sheet.
Baking sheet. We have to make it.
It's a big one.
Yep, guys, we have to
Go right here.
Okay, we're just mixing. I want Brandon to sing your next favorite song.
For thy mountain I have broken Coloration of kite I agreed.
Next favorite. I believe I can fly. I believe I can touch the sky.
Awesome.
Brandon, what's your third favorite song?
Oh, dancing queen, young and free, 17. Ooh, you get high,
You can dance.
Having the time of your life. Ooh, see that girl.
Boy.
My third favorite song is the Mandalorian music.
What is that?
Oh wow, you need to learn, Mama.
I have no idea.
You need to learn, Mama. Guys, we're ready to put this in the oven. Guys, okay, let's do this. Grandma.
I'm not done.
Okay, guys. Mama. Okay, guys. Let's open it. Oh, wow. Yeah. Guys, that looks so good. Guys. Put that on. Guys, should I quit? Should I? Okay. Guys, this is the chocolate turtle cookies. Let's try. It's beautiful! Bravo! Like and subscribe, comment if you can, and then watch my next video, okay? I'll be back.